Good morning, children. Today we see only two topics, that is functional group and homologous series. First we see about functional group. What is functional group? It is a group of atom or atom which defines the structure. Atom, otherwise group of atoms which defines the structure or which defines the specific characters of the compound. Okay, atom or group of atom which defines or which specify the particular organic compound, which defines the specific organic compound. Okay, I will tell you example, then only you can understand. Okay, some functional group. This is halogen. What are the halogen group? Halo group. This is called halo. Okay, halogen group is called halo group. That is fluoride ion, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are called halo groups. This belongs to same functional group, that is X. And another functional group is OH. This is alcohol. This group is called alcohol group. Okay, alcohol group, and the functional group is called OH. So it is a group of atoms. It is an atom which defines the structure or which defines a specific organic compound. Next, when you study homologous series, you will understand a little better than this. Okay, next one is homologous series. What is homologous series? Homologous series is a group of organic compound which have same functional group and different chemical properties with the same, different physical property with the same chemical properties. I will give you example, then you can understand. And a functional group example, you know, this is atom. It is a group of atoms which defines the specific organic compound. Okay, halo group. This is alcohol group, methanol, ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, like that similar group. This is a functional group of alcohol. Okay, and aldehyde we say CHO. This is a functional group of aldehyde compound. And carboxylic group we say another functional group COOH. This is a carboxylic group. Okay, oic acid we say. Functional group of carboxylic group. These are different functional group. This is of alcohol group. This is of halogen group. This is of aldehyde group. This is of carboxylic group. Okay, like this different functional group we are having. It may be atom. This is only one atom. This is more than one atom. Two atoms are there. Three atoms are there. It may be one atom or group of atoms. Now we study about what is that? Homologous series. I told you it is a group of compound, group of organic compound which have similar or same functional group with a different property, physical property and the same chemical property. What is that? Group of compound with a similar chemical properties and different physical properties. Okay, and adjustive group different is, successive group difference is CH2. Difference between two adjacent group is, okay, first group is methanol, second group is ethanol. Difference between these two adjacent group is CH2. They differ by CH2. Two adjacent groups are differ by CH2. Now I will give you example. Once again say the definition. It is a group of compound with a similar chemical properties and different physical properties in which the groups, adjacent groups are differ by CH2. Okay. We will say some example. Then you might be understanding somewhat better. Now listen. The example of first I am going to take aldehyde. The functional group is aldehyde CHO. Okay. Otherwise you take my methane, single bond. Okay, methane, alkane group. First group of alkane is methane. Okay. One carbon, A means single bond, 4 single bond. So the formula is, the molecular formula is CH4. Second is ethane. Eth means 2 carbon, meth, eth. Each carbon should have 4 bond, 1 is there, next 4. This carbon has 1 bond and more 3 bonds should be there, so overall 4 bond we should have. So the compound name is, the structural formula is this one, and the molecular formula is ethane is C2H6. So first one is CH4, second one is C2H6. These are belong to similar group. Next one is propane. Okay, and the difference you see, successive group difference is, what is that? C2 minus C1 is C, and H2, H6 minus 4 is H2. So what is the difference between these two groups? CH2. Okay, so the successive group difference is, or adjacent group difference is CH2. Or by molecular mass you can say, one carbon mass is 12 and each hydrogen mass is 1. Here you are having 2 hydrogen. So 12 plus 2, 2, that is 14U. They differ by 14U. The adjacent groups varied by, differ by CH2, by mass you can say 14U. Clear? So what did you study? Homologous series. It is of group of organic compound with a similar structure and with a similar chemical property but different physical property. See here carbon is more. So boiling point, melting point increases. But both are having similar chemical properties. And what is the difference between these two? CH2. And next group when you write, it is the formula is C3H8. Now tell me the difference. This is methane, 1 carbon. This is 2 carbon, ethane. And third carbon it is called propane. What is that? Propane. Look at these two difference. C, 3 minus 2 is C. And H, 8 minus 6 is H2. So successive group differ by CH2. Or by mass you can say 14U. Clear? This is the properties of homologous series group. Another example is halo group. Halo means symbol is X. Halogen group, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So first you are going to write methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. Okay. This is a functional group is halo group. Okay. What are the halogen groups? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, etc. Okay. Methyl means meth and single bond. Okay. This is methyl. One hydrogen is substituted by chlorine. This is called methyl chloride. Clear? Methyl chloride. Count it CH3Cl. Methyl chloride. Clear? And second group is ethyl. One carbon means methyl. Second carbon is ethyl chloride. So first carbon name is, okay, clear? And second name is ethyl chloride. Now tell me ethyl, meth, eth, 1 chlorine. Okay, I told you each carbon should have 4 bonds. This carbon has 1, so more 2, 3, 4. This carbon has 2. You look at the around this carbon. This carbon has 2 bonds, 3, 4. Total 4 bonds should be there. Chlorine only 1 bond, no need to consider. Carbon you see only overall 4 bonds should be there. Now what is this ethyl chloride? Isn't it? Ethyl chloride. And the content says C2, hydrogen how many? H5, Cl. Similar group, similar functional group. And the difference is 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Hydrogen 5 minus 3 is 2. So the difference is CH2. The adjacent group difference is CH2 with a similar function group. Here also halogen is a function group. Clear? Similar function group. And they will have similar chemical properties but different physical property because carbon is more. So the melting point boiling point increases. Okay, these are the example of homologous series. And the third example is alcohol group. Alcohol group means OH is a function group. Okay, first I am going to write methyl alcohol. Okay, methyl means one carbon and alcohol function group is OH. And I told each carbon should have 4 bonds. Already one is there, 2, 3, 4. It can be written as CH3, count it CH3, function group is OH. OH means what? Alcohol, or we can say methanol. Methanol. Okay, alcohol also you can write, or OL also you can write, OL. Clear? And this is methanol. Second carbon is ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Two names you can say, ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Tell me ethyl alcohol. What is the name? Ethyl, how many carbons should be there? 2. Meet, it. Ethyl alcohol, example is, you will have 2 carbon, I told you, meet, it. So 2 carbon alcohol functional group is OH. Now count each carbon should have 4 bonds. 1 is there, 2, 3, 4. With the hydrogen. This carbon 2 bonds are there, 3, 4. Now count and write C2. How many hydrogen you are having? H5 and the functional group is OH. Same functional group. So this is called homologous series. Methanol, ethanol and propanol. Then 4 means butanol, 5 means pentanol. This all belongs to same homologous series because they are having same functional group. Here alcohol is a functional group. And the successive difference is CH2. By mass you can say 1 carbon 12 mass, each hydrogen 1. So you are having 2 hydrogen. So what is the mass? 14U. They vary by 14U. Clear? Thank you.